Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef stir-fry noodles. Start with the beef. Slice it thinly against the grain, then marinate it for at least 30 minutes to ensure maximum tenderness and flavor. While the beef marinates, chop your favorite vegetables, like crisp bell peppers and vibrant broccoli. Finally, cook your noodles until they are perfectly al dente, then set them aside. Now let's get cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat until it's smoking. Add a touch of oil, then sear your marinated beef in small batches. This ensures a beautiful brown crust and keeps the beef tender. Cook each batch for just 1 to 2 minutes, then remove it and set it aside.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, add your prepared vegetables to the hot wok. Stir-fry them quickly until they are crisp tender, usually about 3 minutes. While they cook, whisk together your stir-fry sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a dash of sesame oil. Once the veggies are ready, add the cooked noodles and the sauce to the pan, tossing everything to combine. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Return your perfectly seared beef to the pan with the noodles and vegetables. Toss everything gently for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are heated through and coated in that delicious sauce. Garnish with fresh green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra flavor and presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.